Hey, I'm Carrie Carlson. I'm an artist from Orland Park, Illinois, and I'm a printmaker. So today we're going to talk through the steps of making a linoleum block print. So the blocks start off just smooth like this. It's a composite surface. I like to get the ones that have the particle board wood stuff underneath because I'm super messy always, and so it helps me to stay cleaner when I'm printing. But you take a block like this and you put your drawing on here. There's lots of ways to do that. I usually just draw directly with a pencil on the block. And once you've got your drawing done, then you carve out anywhere you want the paper to show through. So you're making a giant stamp. So using these different carving tools, and there's lots of varieties out there with different tips from really narrow to big, wide gouges and chisels, and you just carve out through and around your drawing. So wherever you carve, ink won't go and you'll see the paper through it. Once you've got it all carved and you're ready for the printing process, you roll out this ink. I use oil-based ink pretty exclusively, and you roll it out really thin using this tool called a brayer, which is like a small rubber paint roller. And so you get it evenly covered with ink, and then the fun part, you're going to ink in long, smooth strokes. We are ready to print. The paper's been prepped by soaking in water for, I don't know, about 20 minutes, and then I towel dried it so it's damp consistently all the way through and soft but not drippy. And then we're going to put it on top of the block. We're going to put these big felts over the top, slide it closer to the press bed, raise it up, and I'm going to keep my hand here to push it a little bit. Lower the bed, bring it out, and the best part is the reveal. So here is the first print of the oak Savannah. So then this will go on some press boards, and it takes a couple days to dry because it's oil-based ink, but the press boards help to keep it flat so it doesn't buckle while the paper's drying. If you've printed with oil-based inks, once the print is dry, you can paint them with watercolor. It's really fun to paint these prints once they're dry, and each one's a little unique. It's fun to try out different color combinations, just different emphasis. I really enjoy this part of the process so much. Thank you very much for watching this little video, and hope you have a really great day. Stay safe.